Don't know who you want to be when you grow up? There are so many cool and unique professions to choose from. Which to choose? It's up to you to figure out. TGIF! It's finally Friday! It's the best day of the work week! Tyler always meets his friends after work. Here he is now! Hey! I thought you were stuck at work! Hold on, let me order something. Oh, and there's Annie. Looks like the whole company is here. How was your day? The usual. Super boring. Oh, my drink's finally here! How have things been with you, Thomas? Ugh, don't even ask. Thomas is fed up with the office routine. All he does is work, work, work. 9 to 5. Longing, boredom, despair. This isn't how I pictured my life. It's the worst. Just being an office plankton. Paperwork, faxes, calls, reports. It's endless. Okay, enough being depressed. Let's talk about something else. I declare this to be an evening of fun. What did you want to be when you were little? I dreamed of growing up to be an astronaut. An astronaut? Are you serious? Well, of course. Why not? Picture it. You're excited, the countdown is started, and then the rocket takes off into infinite outer space. Okay, then what? Scorched red Earth. Wait, what am I saying? That's Mars! The red planet. It's amazing! What an incredible feeling! No man has ever set foot here before. I'm the first. I'm the only. How do you feel about that, Elon Musk? Let's check the gravity monitors. Newton's laws don't apply here. Whoa! I've never felt anything like this. Mars to Earth. Feeling great. I repeat, I'm feeling great. Over. No extraterrestrial life forms detected. Descending into the crater. Oops! Is there a force of attraction here after all? I need to put up the flag. Long live space troops! Wait, what are those? Martians? No, those are people. Wait, is this a normal beach? Yep, here we are. Really? I was just walking on a beach? What a disappointment. Hey, Tyler! Earth to Tyler! Dreaming about stars is obviously impressive. The cosmos, the astronauts, the spaceship flights. You need to watch less science fiction. Science fiction? Okay, Annie, what did you want to be when you grew up? Me? Sure, I'll tell you. A survivalist guide to the wild. Oops! Well, let's begin. A guide's job is perilous and comes with a lot of responsibility. Hey everyone! We're going to get out of our comfort zones today. You need to focus. I'm Annie. This is my protege, Tommy. Today, we're going to conquer the wild. The first rule of survival is to get rid of the dead weight. We'll leave excess weight here, but we have plenty of food and gear. Hands off, Tommy. Say bye-bye to your backpack. Still up for a wilderness adventure? Let's go. There are wild beasts lurking. This seems to be one of them. A brave male jumps onto a bush. Are you in the suicide squad? Tommy, get in this tree! Survival 101. Know how and where to find food. These berries look edible. They'll at least tide us over. They're not bad. Oh no, Tommy is sick. Who said we could eat that? Annie needs to brush up on her botany. Poor Tommy. He has a sensitive stomach and a pretty incompetent guide. He's exhausted, but he's still hungry. Remember, explorer, if food doesn't come to you, you go to food. First, let's dig up some worms. It's not too hard. Come on, Tommy, use your hands. Oh my! Tell me that's just a giant worm. Please, please, stop panicking. We have to stay calm. Easier said than done. I'm going to pull it out. Wow, Annie, that was cool. But it looks like it bit Tommy after all. Oh, Tommy, today is really not your day. But you have an experienced instructor. Survival at all costs. I will save his life. I just need to suck the poison out. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, he's waking up. What's she doing? Aw, that's cute. Hey, Tommy, you okay? We need to cover this wound with a leech, chew it up, and apply it. Sterilizing is crucial. Wrap your leg with a handkerchief. We need to go. Do you see the marks here? There was definitely a rabbit here. Are you sure? It looks more like something scary. Are you sure you know what you're doing? What? Where are all those bees coming from? There must be a hive nearby. Oh, here it is. What luck! We found the hive. We'll get so much delicious honey. All we have to do is knock it down. We are about to bust this nest. Maybe we shouldn't? Ow! Ouch! It hurts! Here's your hive. What did you even find it for? You just left me to get stung. Oh. Annie will definitely come back when everything calms down. Wait, where's Tommy? That's his only hat. It's okay, I'll track his scent. Run, Tommy, run! You have such a wild imagination. By the way, where is Tommy? Maybe he was offended? No, I think he just went to the restroom. That's where he goes to think. Okay, well, tell us then. What did you dream of becoming? A sniper? Like Leon the Hitman? Oh, wow! The sharpshooter is going hunting. Today, he got a great assignment. He has his weapon. He just needs to pick a location. Cover the peephole with gum. Knock on the door. The sniper acts quickly and decisively. Shh! Be quiet! Don't make a sound! What's that noise in the kitchen? Ha! Slowly hand over the milk and nobody gets hurt. Oh, a houseplant? I love those more than anything! Wow! What a killer view! Time to open the suitcase. A weapon with a sight is no joke. Only one bullet, one shot, one body. Not so fast, Mr. Sniper. The family trooper is working. How did he manage to end up in a cop's apartment? Thomas is going to be facing some serious charges. Well, shooter, now it's your turn to be silent. Somehow I forgot about the actual law. Yeah, no need for crimes, man. Tyler's dream was more interesting. He wanted to be a neurosurgeon. Oh yes, I can feel it. We've almost succeeded. But for this experiment, you need a subject. Oh, this baby is so cutely asleep. But it's her teddy bear I'm after, not her. Well, just one part. Oh no, what is he planning? A dummy? This will do. Can you live without an arm for now? I'll also be needing its head. I will outdo Dr. Frankenstein. Come to life, creature! Uh-oh, the experiment is being interrupted. It was him, Dad! He took my teddy bear! Oh, you are in for it now! Wait, please! It's in the name of science! Yeah, sure. Try to explain that to the mother of a crying child. No, don't hit me! Nutty Professor? So original! I also wanted to be a famous singer. The stage, the spotlight, me! I'd only collab with the best, of course. Oh. We'd light up the stage! Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you? Yeah, but there's not much of an audience. I bet there will be a few people max. Boo! Get off the stage! You want a real musician? You guys ready? Check this out! The great and terrible Tommaso, the illusionist! And his faithful assistant, Annie! For his first trick, the mystery of the tape measure. Wow! How did it vanish? And we do this! Wow! Magical! Moving on to a trick with napkins. It's a wizard's hat, but made out of napkins. A dangerous moment! One napkin is out of the box. Another! And another! How are you doing this? I'm amazed! Next comes a soap bubble trick. Catch the bubble! But wait, where is it? Gone! Magic! What about this huge bucket opening? Unbelievable! What am I even seeing? Now for the most dangerous trick, sawing Annie in half. Everybody ready? Let's begin! Oh my! Annie feels like something isn't quite right. But the trick was a success! At first glance, everything went perfectly. Annie, how do you like the show? I'm not talking to you! You cut me in half! Put me back together! Now! Unfortunately, he's not so great at that part. That was so fun! We need to get together more often. That's for sure. Wait, what's this? Is that us? Oh, geez! Looks like our career fantasies got kind of out of control. Oh no, we were just seeing things. Well, still, be careful what you wish or fantasize for. Did you like our sketch about childhood dreams? What do you want to be when you grow up? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Click on the bell so you don't miss anything on Troom Select.